All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 18, that's right folks, 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 11,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, got backup camera, got a AM FM stereo system. Super nice, only 11,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire tread is way over 732. It's actually almost at 12. This door looks good. Let me turn my light. Boom. This door looks good. This quarter in its entirety looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything out there. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire tread is over 11/32. Actually, just saw a little ding here, very small. You got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This vehicle does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Alright, you got your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues. And your mileage of 11,812. You got your backup camera. Pow! Freaking looks good. Everything looks nice. Two keys, owner's manuals, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Keep it moving. Boom, boom, boom. Here's a rear bumper that has a little hole here. That would paint off, or that the hole there or whatnot. Everything else looks good. Your doors look pretty good. Doors look pretty good. Of course, this is what it looks like on the inside, which, as you can see, looks freaking beautiful. Does have wheel wells, look great. This is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. I don't see any particular damages. Here's the other door. Looks good as well. This door looks nice. Let me get this ladder. Check out our roof situation. Let's see how that is. And our freaking roof actually has a dent right there when we get to that. Well, the roof damage seems to be right around here. Check it out. Yep, right here. You see it right here? So this line is. Yep, there it is. And that seems to be 3, 6, about 9-inch dent. A better view of it. There it is. All right, that's it. All right. Let's see how this is. This quarter. It looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire tread is over 10/32. This door pretty much looks good. Look at that interior in there. Looks freaking fantastic. Boom. Check it out. Looks good. This looks good here. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender here does have a dent from here to here. I'll say 10 or more to engulf this entire fender. It's a very small fender, only probably 15 inches. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire tread, over 13/32. Car looks great, folks. Things are ready. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 11,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.